If there's one thing that's certain about turbocharged sleds, it's the huge number of them that aren't stock. With the ever-growing popularity of both Arctic Cat and Yamaha's turbo sleds over the last few years, with 180 plus horsepower, the question is, why would anyone need or want more? It's crazy, but it seems like the first thing that anyone wants to do is get even more power out of these monsters. Adding more power to these new turbos is relatively easy with all the innovative performance aftermarket companies out there that can reprogram the engine control unit. So if you're planning on reprogramming your 4-stroke turbocharged sled, you're going to have to do some clutch tuning with no exceptions. Generally, when you've added significantly more horsepower to the engine, you can't expect the stock clutch calibration to get maximum horsepower to the ground. You'll most likely need to make some clutch adjustments to both your primary and secondary clutches. However, first, you'll need to add weight to the primary's flyweights. You can go aftermarket or even to the manufacturer and buy yourself heavier flyweights, but do you know exactly how much flyweight you need, and likewise what that weight is going to deliver performance-wise after you've purchased it? Sometimes chain case gearing or other clutching components are going to come into play, and having the option of adjustable flyweights on your primary is a huge benefit. Dalton Industries has a super effective way to get your clutching spot on, and it's so easy to tune your primary exactly right for the ECU modifications that you've made to your engine. Dalton is a leading supplier of clutch tuning components to the aftermarket shops and sled heads that demand precise clutch tuning. The main feature of Dalton Quick Adjust flyweights, besides the adjustability itself, is the fact that you can both add and subtract weight from the flyweight on the sled without having to remove the primary or the flyweight itself. This makes trailside adjustments of even half a gram super easy. Dalton's Quick Adjust setup comes with a set of threaded screws of various lengths that can change the mass of your weights by as much as 7.5 grams. That's a lot of weight and can really help maximize your sled's power. Dalton includes plenty of screws, each weighing a different amount. There's also a set of new flyweights. For some snowmobile clutches like Polaris and Arctic Cat, the ramp curve of the flyweight is the same as stock. However, on the Yamaha 4-strokes, Dalton uses its own curvature. On Dalton's website, there's some general information to help you get the right grammage for your horsepower level. Now, you're probably not going to need to use all of that weight right out of the gate, so start with something a little bit conservative. There's also an included chart that comes with your weights that'll show you exactly where you need to be. Just make sure that you get those set screws all the way in and there's nothing exposed. Dalton provides a nice T-head Allen wrench to do the job, and there's thread locker already on the screws. If you end up using them multiple times in tuning, you can always add a drop of blue Loctite to the threads when you're done tuning. First thing you do is remove your drive belt and then remove the clutch cap from the primary. Make sure you can see where your alignment marks are on the cap, or make them with a marker if not, so that when you put everything back together, your primary is still in balance. Once you get inside, just remove the stock weights and replace them with the adjustable Dalton ones with the screws you've already chosen in place. Next, put the clutch cap back in place, torque the cap screws, put the drive belt back on, and make sure it's running in the right direction. That's it for installing your Dalton adjustable flyweights. Now it's time to get your sled out on the snow and see exactly how it performs. Here's where you want to be paying attention to your tack and seeing where your operating RPM is. It also helps to get the sled out into the environment that you typically ride in: trails, hill climbing, deep powder snow, whatever. This is where Quick Adjust is so great. If you think you've added too much weight and operating RPM is too low, or the engine bogs down or is over revving, you can either add or take away weight with the extra adjusters that Dalton has included in the package without taking your clutch apart. The Dalton clutch system that we installed today came with very easy to follow and detailed instructions that made it simple for us to install and would be easy for any DIYer to do. It allowed us the adjustability to get the best performance possible out of our upgraded turbo Yamaha. And it'll do the same for you, but make sure that you get in contact with a performance shop who did your ECU reflash or other performance upgrades to make sure that you're operating at the proper RPM that they suggest for your turbo.